Hey there, green thumbs. Have you ever wanted to grow your own food? It's so much fun. Imagine plucking a juicy tomato right from your backyard, or picking a crunchy cucumber for your salad. You can do it. Gardening is like magic, but instead of spells, we use seeds and sunshine. Are you ready to get started? Let's grow something amazing together. First things first, let's talk about soil. Soil is the foundation of any successful garden. Without good soil, plants struggle to grow and thrive. It's where they get their nutrients and water, and it's where their roots anchor them in place. Soil is like a cozy bed for our plants. Just like we need a comfortable bed to sleep in, plants need good soil to grow in. The better the soil, the healthier the plants. It gives them the food and support they need to grow big and strong. Healthy soil is teeming with life, from tiny microorganisms to earthworms, all working together to create a rich environment for plants. To get the soil ready, we need to loosen it up. This helps air and water reach the roots more easily. Compact soil can suffocate roots and prevent them from absorbing the nutrients they need. Use a small shovel or your hands to break up any big clumps. This makes the soil more manageable and creates a better environment for planting. Next, mix in some compost. Compost is decomposed organic matter that enriches the soil. Compost is like a superfood for your soil. It's packed with nutrients that plants need to grow. Adding compost improves soil structure, increases its ability to retain moisture, and provides a slow-release source of nutrients. It's full of yummy nutrients that help plants grow. By regularly adding compost to your garden, you can ensure that your plants have everything they need to thrive. Happy gardening! Now comes the fun part, planting the seeds. Each seed is like a tiny treasure chest full of possibilities. Read the instructions on the seed packet to know how deep to plant them. Some seeds like to be close to the surface, while others prefer to be buried a little deeper. Make sure to give each seed enough space to grow. Pat the soil gently over the seeds to tuck them in. Section 4. Sunshine and water. Just like us, plants need sunshine and water to thrive. Choose a sunny spot for your garden where your plants will get plenty of light. Water your seeds gently every day, but don't overdo it. You don't want them to drown. As your plants grow taller, you might need to water them more often.
Know you've been a good friend.
Section 5. Caring for your plants. Taking care of your plants is a rewarding and essential part of gardening. It ensures that your plants grow healthy and strong, providing you with a bountiful harvest. As your plants grow bigger and stronger, they might need a little extra care. Regularly checking on them helps you catch any issues early, ensuring they continue to thrive. Keep an eye out for weeds. Weeds can quickly take over your garden if left unchecked, competing with your plants for nutrients and sunlight. Weeds are a bit like bullies. They try to take all the food and water from your plants. By removing them, you give your plants the best chance to grow strong and healthy. Pull them out gently so your veggies have plenty of space to grow. Be careful not to disturb the roots of your plants while doing so. You might also see some bugs in your garden. While some insects are beneficial, others can cause damage to your plants. Some bugs are helpful, but others can munch on your plants. Beneficial insects like ladybugs can help control pest populations naturally. You can use a gentle soap and water mixture to keep those pesky bugs away. This natural solution is safe for your plants and helps protect them from harmful pests without using harsh chemicals. Section 6. Enjoy your harvest. The most exciting part of gardening is harvesting your very own food. After months of nurturing your plants, watching them grow from tiny seeds into lush, productive plants, the moment has finally arrived. It's like opening a present you grew yourself. Each vegetable is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Once your fruits and veggies are ripe and ready, it's time to pick them. Be gentle as you harvest to avoid damaging the plants, ensuring they can continue to produce. Wash them off and enjoy them fresh from your garden. There's something incredibly satisfying about eating food you've grown with your own hands. You'll be amazed at how much tastier they are than the ones from the store. The flavors are more vibrant and the textures are more satisfying. Gardening is a wonderful way to learn about nature, get your hands dirty and grow delicious food. It's a rewarding hobby that brings joy and a sense of accomplishment. Keep on growing and enjoy every moment of your gardening journey.